Ni hao. Hello everyone, this is Larrylison Masterclass. My name is Lawrence. Welcome back to our Chinese Masterclass, Pīnyīn Lesson 7. In our previous class, we discussed about the retroflex initials, which are ch, ch, sh, sh. I will say that initials cannot stand alone without finals. So, let's add E to 4 of them and see how we can pronounce them. The first one, ch, ch, sh, y. Beautiful. In this very episode, we are going to be looking into the 3 initials written on the board. The first one will have th, second one, th, the last one, s. So let's practice together. The first one, th, just like kids in English language, the DS word in English language, th. The second one, while practicing it, it has a TS word in English language, TS. Ts. Repeat after me. Ts. Then the last one is S, just like speed, the S word in English language, speed. S, speed in English language. So right now, let's practice once again. Ts, ts, s. Beautiful. But before we start practicing this word with finals, I would like us to first of all note one thing. While pronouncing the Z sound, the tip of your tongue will touch the upper front of your teeth. Ts. Repeat after me. Ts. Then, leaving a little airflow. Ts. Little airflow. Then, the second one, which is letter C. While making the sound, the tip of your tongue will also touch the upper front teeth and then releasing a very strong airflow, which is Ts. So you can observe the 2 letters seems having the same sound, but normally they are not the same sounds. They are totally different. So apart from using the DS in Z to recognize them, we can also use this method to recognize them. Then the last one, another method you can use. Here, the tip of the tongue approaches, it tries to approach the upper front teeth. It approaches it without touching the hard palate. So when it approaches it, it releases a very free airflow. It's not touching anything. It's on the middle. No obstruction. Beautiful. So now, let's practice these sounds with E. Remember we said that initials cannot stand alone, that they need finals to be sensible for someone to understand what we are saying. So we add E to each and every word to practice them. But before we do that, I would like to clear one thing here. I would like to tell you the mistakes other people are making, or I will tell you the wrong way people always pronounce these sounds. So the first one, people pronounce it this way when it goes with E, T, T, and the last one, C. This is totally wrong. This is totally wrong. When the E sound goes with the C sound, it is not pronounced this way. The letter E, the sound must change. It's not going to go straight to that E again. So now, I'm going to teach you how you can get the right pronunciation. So practice with me to see how it's going to be. I'll make it easier for everyone to understand. I'm going to make it easier for you to understand all we are talking about today. All right, so let's practice together. The first one will have ts. Repeat after me. Ts. Then, when it goes with E, we'll have ts. Ts. Remember the DS in English language that will help you to memorize this sound. Ts. 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 Beautiful. Then the second one, which is ts. Repeat after me. Ts. Why making this sound with E? It goes this way. Ts, not T. It is T. T. At least you personally can observe their differences. It is not T. It is T. Then the last one, which is S sound. When it goes together with E, we have, repeat after me, S. 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 Beautiful. So let's read together. T. 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 The second one, ts, 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 and the last one, s, 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 s. Beautiful. So now let's practice this word with new vocabularies. Let's learn new vocabularies with this word. T. Repeat after me. T. T. What does that mean? T literally means letters, symbol, or characters. If we want to say in Chinese, can you write Chinese character? We do say, 你会写中文字吗? 你 you 会 can 写 to write 中文字吗? Sometimes we do say it this way. 你会写汉字吗? 汉字吗? That is the writing of Han. Or let me bring it this way. 你会写英语字吗? 你会写英语字吗? Meaning what? Can you write English letters or English symbols or characters? Nice one. Then another one we can learn there is called 再见. 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 This vocabulary is popular in Chinese language. We use them every day. What does that mean? 再见 means see you later or see you next time. Then let's come to the next one. With one on that ts sound. We can also learn a word called ta, to clean up something, to clean or to wipe. So ta, and then the other word that we can also learn here is called 材料. Repeat after me. 材料. Always mind your tones. 材料. 材料 here literally means material. So it could be of writing material, building material, or any kind of material. 材料. Ta, 材料. We can also learn a word called 菜. 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 What does that mean? It means dish. Dish. Chinese dish is called 中国菜. Chinese dish is called 中国菜. Then the last one, let's learn a new word with the letter S. We can learn a word called 三. What does that mean? San here means 3. 3. San. Then another new word, we can also learn sui. 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 What does that mean? Sui means age. We use sui while talking about age. So for example, you want to say that the kid is 3 years old. 3 years old. So you can say san sui. San sui means 3 years old. Qi sui means 7 years old. But remember, this way we don't use it for adults. So it's just for kids that are at the age of 1 to 10. But the ones at the age of 11 upward, we use another different vocabulary, of which we are not going to say that today. We are going to talk about that one next time, not today. So san sui literally means 3 years. That is referring when you refer to a little kid that is from age 1 to 10. So we use san sui. Beautiful. So let's quickly review these new vocabularies that we just studied now. So practice it together with me. So the first one is 字 字 再见 再见 za 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 材料 材料 3 3岁 Beautiful. Today we've been able to learn the last initials of Chinese language. So in our next video we are going to be looking into the finals of Chinese language. Remember that we say that Pīnyīn is a combination of 21 initials and 36 finals. So in our next video we are going to be talking about the 36 finals. So if this is your first time in our channel, don't forget to click on the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell to get updates for our new videos. Remember, the subscription is for free. Once you click on the subscription button, it means that you support what we are doing. For you to be getting updates every time, click on the notification bell. Anytime we post videos concerning the finals and other things, you will get updates on your phone. Thank you for watching. See you next time.